Okay, folks, here's the Won Ton Lox pizza I promised. What happened to them?
Apparently, mozzarella has a soporific effect on Antarian physiology.
Hello, welcome back to Kirk Kooks. Welcome back to TMNT Pizza Wednesday, and welcome to the pizza that nearly killed me. If you watched last week, you'd have seen that I said that when we was recording this batch of pizzas, the Won Ton Lox pizza, I'm pretty positive gave both me and Carl food poisoning, me a bit more severe because I ate a lot more of the wontons than he did. It was bad. I spent like 3 days laid in bed. I'm actually recording this, like I say, after that because I didn't do the intros on Saturday. I thought I'll do them in the week beforehand. I was hoping to get them done a bit earlier than this, but like I say, I've been in bed in between trips to the bathroom. So yeah, so this pizza is the Won Ton Lox pizza. It is from season 3, episode 5, Sky Turtles. I already know the outcome of it. Let's go.
So as always, we start off with our tomato sauce, get that spread out, and then cover it with some nice mozzarella cheese. Then we need to put these horrible prawn wonton dumplings all over the pizza. Then we'll just add one final sprinkling of cheese on top of those, and then that is ready for the oven. So we'll get that into the oven now. So this is our Won Ton Lox. We've got prawn wontons. Figured it would go quite well with the salmon. So that is what we did. Prawn wontons and lox. So this is our Won Ton Lox. We've got prawn wontons and lox, which is just raw salmon. We've had salmon before, haven't we?
Yeah, raw salmon's alright.
It was nice with the cream cheese, but is it going to be nice with prawn wontons?
Possibly not.
Possibly not, Carl says. No, the salmon's nice. I tried a bit of that earlier actually as well on its own. It's nice salmon. I don't know what the wontons are going to taste like on a pizza though, because it's quite a doughy, dumpling-y mix, isn't it?
Okay, folks, here's the Won Ton Lox pizza I promised. What happened to them?
Apparently, mozzarella has a soporific effect on Antarian physiology.
I don't know what the heck is that.
No, I'm good. A couple of bites. It's like a cooked dough with a raw dough.
The wontons are weird, aren't they? Because the Chinese dumplings and it's like raw and soggy.
Yeah.
I mean, you get crispy Chinese dumplings as well, don't you see? If there was crispy ones, I think they'd have worked quite well.
That'd have been nice. I think it's just like the cooked pizza dough with the raw wonton, like the raw wonton dough.
Yeah, it's not great. Would not eat that again.
Yeah, we have some salmon.
So Won Ton Lox is not something I'd recommend.
Nope.
Definitely not. I haven't really got a lot to add to that, you. Other than it wasn't horrific. I'm not going to be sick. It was.
Yeah, it wasn't like being sick, horrible. It was just a bit like.
It was okay.
A weird texture and a bit of a.
The texture from the wonton dumpling thing just sort of messed it up a bit.
Doesn't go with a pizza.
That salmon's nice though. So yeah, wasn't terrible, but it wasn't great. I guess we'll see you next week. Once again, Teenage Mutant Turtle Pizza Wednesday.
Jelly bean and sausage pizzas.
Strawberry surprise pizza with anchovy sauce.
Peanut butter and clams. Anchovies and bananas.